Sailing the Greek Isles, your guide to chartering a boat in Greece. Picture this. The sun is shining, the Aegean Sea sparkles like a million tiny diamonds, and a gentle breeze fills your sails. You're not just on vacation, you're living a dream, gliding across the water, hopping from island to island at your own pace. This is the magic of chartering a boat in Greece. Greece is a paradise for sailing enthusiasts, boasting thousands of islands, crystal clear waters, and a rich cultural heritage waiting to be explored. Whether you're looking for an intimate getaway, an adventurous journey, or a luxurious experience, a boat charter in Greece can be tailored to your desires. When it comes to chartering a boat, there are several options. You can rent a bareboat, which means you'll captain the boat yourself if you have the necessary experience. If you'd rather sit back and enjoy the ride, a crewed or skippered charter is the perfect solution. With an experienced captain at the helm, you can focus on soaking up the sun, exploring hidden beaches, and dining on fresh seafood at waterfront tavernas. The best sailing destinations in Greece are as diverse as they are breathtaking. The Cyclades, with iconic islands like Santorini and Mykonos, offer stunning views and vibrant nightlife. The Ionian Islands provide lush landscapes and tranquil waters, ideal for a relaxing escape. The Dodecanese and the Saronic Gulf boast historical treasures and authentic Greek charm, while the Sporades feature some of the most pristine beaches in the Mediterranean. The best time to charter a boat in Greece is between May and October. During these months, the weather is warm, the winds are favorable, and the seas are inviting. July and August bring the famous Meltemi winds, which can be exciting for experienced sailors but may be challenging for beginners. If you prefer calmer waters, the shoulder seasons of May to June and September to October offer perfect conditions and fewer crowds. Planning your charter requires a few key considerations. First, decide on the type of boat that suits your needs: sailboats for a classic nautical experience, catamarans for added stability and space, or motor yachts for speed and luxury. Next, determine your itinerary based on your interests, whether it's history, nightlife, adventure, or pure relaxation. Finally, book early, especially during peak season, to secure the best vessel at the best rates. Beyond the logistics, a boat charter in Greece is about the experience, the freedom to explore secluded coves, discover ancient ruins, and immerse yourself in the beauty of the Aegean. It's about waking up to breathtaking sunrises over the horizon and ending the day with a glass of ouzo under a sky full of stars. With so many options and breathtaking destinations, a charter boat experience in Greece is more than just a vacation, it's an adventure of a lifetime. Have you ever dreamed of sailing the Greek islands, and if so, which destination would be your top pick?